Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust the idle on your Toyota Corolla. First, locate the idle air control valve, or IACV, on your engine. It's crucial that your engine reaches its normal operating temperature before you begin any adjustments. Next, find the idle adjustment screw, which is usually situated on the throttle body. This screw is what you'll be turning to modify the idle speed. Now, connect a reliable tachometer to your engine to accurately monitor the revolutions per minute, or RPM. With the engine running, slowly turn the idle adjustment screw. Turning it clockwise will typically decrease the RPM, while counterclockwise will increase it. Your goal is to reach the manufacturer's recommended idle speed, which is often around 700 RPM for many Corolla models. Be patient and make small adjustments. After making your adjustments, take your Corolla for a test drive. Pay close attention to how it accelerates and decelerates, ensuring everything feels smooth. Listen carefully for any unusual engine noises or any noticeable fluctuations in the idle speed while driving or when stopped. It's also a good practice to recheck the idle speed after a few driving cycles to confirm that your adjustments remain consistent and stable over time. If you're still experiencing idle issues, a dirty throttle body or a faulty idle air control valve could be the culprits, preventing proper adjustment. Consider thoroughly cleaning your throttle body and carefully checking for any potential vacuum leaks, as these can significantly impact idle stability. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, make sure to check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers that make meal prep a breeze, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.